Hey guys, how's it going? Mike Shamon here, and I just want to go through with you how to get your WordPress site set up through GoDaddy. And this is going to be a really easy process. So I have already bought my domain name, and if you haven't, just uh, go through, get your domain name. All right, so I'm just going to go to my name, visit my account. I'm going to go to domains. Actually, excuse me, I'm going to go to hosting. I'm going to go to the hosting that I want to set it up on. All right, and then I'm going to go to hosted domains. And this is where all the domains are listed that I have set up on this current hosting. Now the thing is I have my root domain right here, which is why the stars by it. Okay, then everything else is a subdomain. All right, or not a subdomain, but there's subfolders in the domain that have my other domains on them. So I'm just going to go to add domain. All right, and if you start typing the name of your domain, so select the domain you want, and then you have to make a folder for it since it's not going to be your main domain. If it's going to be your main domain, then don't make a folder for it. All right. All right, just click OK. All right, and it'll be setting up. And then in a moment, whenever this gets set up, it should take probably like maybe 10 to 20 minutes usually. It'll let me know when it's done, and then I will come back and install the WordPress on it. All right, so we are back in our hosted domains account, and as you can see right here that it has been set up successfully. So now we can go and install WordPress on it and get our site up and running. So what we're going to do is we're in our account, and we're going to go to web hosting, manage, and we're going to go down here to popular apps, and we're going to go to WordPress. All right, and we're going to go to install. All right, and then you choose the domain that you want the WordPress install on, and this is the directory it's at. So if it's your root domain, there's not going to be a directory there. You just want to install it to the root then, but this one's in a particular folder, so that's why that's there. And then you just choose your admin name, and then your password. And then confirm it. Your email address. And then the title of your blog, which is just going to be this. All right, and then you just hit OK. And it's going to tell you it's setting up. And it's installing it. And then it'll come back and say that, hey, this has been installed. All right, so as you can see, it says WordPress successfully installed to the website. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the website right now, and I'm going to show you how to log in. All right, so you just go to yourwebsite.com. You want to go /wp-admin. Okay, and you go there to log in. And it should take you to the back end of WordPress, which is right here. Log in with your username, and then, oops, and then your password. All right, and you should be at the back end of WordPress. Okay, and this is the back end. So that's how you get WordPress installed on your domain. What you should do first, though, is install a couple of items. Okay, you want to go to plugins, install plugins. All right, and you want to delete these plugins. Okay, you don't want a lot of plugins on your site because that's going to slow it down, especially these ones that we don't really need. Alright, what you do want to do is go to add new, and you want to search Wordfence. Okay, this is a security plugin, and this will alert you every time something is going on with your site. Security wise, I just do the free version, although you could do the paid version if you would like. So into your email here, and do get alerted. Okay, join the mailing list. I'm already on the mailing list. Okay, and then you want to go to Wordfence, and you can go through the tour if you'd like. I go to options. All right, stay up to date. Yes, auto update. Okay, and then you can just go through all these options here. There's a lot of options. I just check off some of these that I want to be emailed for. Alert on warnings and critical problems. Yes, and I go down here to lockout after having login failures. I go to 3, and password attempts I go to 3, and then I go to 30 minutes. Okay, and if you do get locked out, there's a link that says like email me to let me confirm I'm using it, so or I'm logging into the site if you get locked out, and then after that it'll reset it so you can log right in, and then you just go to save changes. Now what's cool about this is if you have multiple WordPress sites, you can do get a token, and then you can just go import settings and import them. So what you do is just export them, and then a box will pop up with a token. It's a long list of letters, and then you just import it here and go to save changes, and then in that way all your sites have the same Wordfence information and settings. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, so that's the basic setup of WordPress.